Hi, welcome. How are you? I'm Shade from Shade Tutorial Tutorial. Okay, Global Trend Chapter 2 Foreign Policy and Diplomacy can you roll it part 1 is Udan Dami video kana part 2 dan tumura yalla selfis nema a video kana garat ma chapter 2 part 2 ma rendu bistu sena namota wanti fitedros wanti drustu man mar kan jiru sana sof ma dubistu rafili wan qabachu qabdan jiru qofarat minti yefadda tole chapter 1 wali dalalle part 4 and murenda chapter 1 tikko baaye ballata chapter 2 sa kanammo me agada daimanu manilal what's foreign policy and diplomacy wal magaltu chapter 2 rat mawar tifatu foreign policy malakate bi diplomacy malakate yironduma objective wati chanda gatinana chapter chachura kana objective chapter kana malada foreign policy malada diplomacy yada to do of Kisagaba. So, domestic versus foreign policy. Domestic policy in Yunmana domestic policy are action or goals that are strongly linked to issues and activity within a state. State makaiset biyetu fakay Ethiopia ke dolita hundum tumara domestic policy na within state keset. Foreign policy in Yunmu is what usually defined as what a policy of a state to the outside or external world. Foreign can you know external on what outside of what the state or outside the state. Foreign policy is commonly described as what an orientation, guidelines, strategy or tendency of what state toward what other state. Foreign policy amma majene domestic malakate hinera foreign policy mo malakate hinera foreign policy are usually defined as a policy of a state to the what outside or external world or the brackets kajuren foreign policy is commonly described as what an orientation guidelines strategy or tendency of state toward was other states foreign policy kumara guideline you can strategy you can tendency of state toko state browding kabochu foreign policy is a system foreign policy is system humanity system activity involved by states during one's external relation beyond one's state kalechu machuda please video lala kanjirtan subscribe like share gochu ndagatina na asman ittifumna foreign policy is a system of activity involved by state during one's external relation beyond one's state. Systemic activity is involved by what state during one's external relation. Mana toko external relation can brought kabane foreign policy ratinda beyond one state. State is a service brought mana relation ka it includes the action, decision, plans or goals of state with what? With other state. Okay. Nibra can radiation over what you say? He includes the action, decision, and what plans or goals of what is within other state. Can only of case it kabata decision of case kabata murta karor from one foreign policy case hammatama jiru mali state to state birawo jini mari gaggisa akatu sodemne plan walini kawatu jura foreign policy can also what be defined as what a reaction of what state toward this what the action of another state foreign policy kumara can also be what defined as what a reaction of state toward this the action of another state jenne kawdendenya jura kanaf foreign can also what defined as what reaction kabarat manjine outside of the state name that's the moment foreign can also what define as what the reaction of state toward what the action of another state he birawjini one magarati foreign yechum alawan churu kan sekantai okay foreign refers to what the concrete behaviors of state in times of what events or situation in international system in line with their orientation plan and commitment is kanaf state talk state browjin agreement tumuru about chudanda plani commitment yo yipelem wonto takasisam kanaf sun maal jennaani foreign policy jennaan. Fakkeenya Itoophiyaa foreign policy mataa ishee qabdi biyyoota biraa wajjin kan hojjettu jechuudha. So that's what foreign policy is not what an end by itself, but rather the means used for what succeeding national interest. Kanaaf foreign policy kun maadha? Foreign policy is not what an end by itself. Ofiisaatidha maadha xumuran jedhu. But what rather the means used for what succeeding what national interest succeed akka ta'u malee dhuunfaasaa yookaan wanta dhuunfaasaatiif miti jechuudha. In general, foreign policy involves what? Foreign policy involves the general guidelines and orientation shaping the plans, strategies, and what action of state in its external relation. Okay, foreign policy can be determined in the foreign policy can be determined by what multiple factors, but basically it is what influenced by both internal and external forces. Wantoota adda addaatiin determine gochuu dandeenya. Garuu wantoonni basically bu'uura ta'anii influence gochuu danda'ama internal and external forces. Humna keessaa fi humna alaa. Humni keessaa immoo maal? Internal forces are what? For instance, economic level, military power, economic in ta'uu danda'a, military ta'uu danda'a, technological advancement ta'uu danda'a, type of government yookaan immoo mootummoota dhufan ta'uu danda'a, government state. Kunneen kun maadha? Internal factor jennaan jechuudha. Dhiibbaan mootummaa, dhiibbaan economy maal gaafa jiraate. In addition, the psychology, belief or skill of leaders also influence the tendency of the state's foreign policy. Kun hundumtuu maadha? Internal factor jennaan jechuudha. External or systemic factors or general these factors are usually beyond what state level forces. Kun maadha? Beyond state level forces alatti jechuudha. Kun maal external jechuudha. The politico-economic dynamics or change in the what international system. Kun maadha? Out of or inside one time maadha? Internal one time, external kanaaf maal jechuudha? Politico-economic dynamics or change in what international system. International system keessatti jijjiiramni dhufu dhiibbaa fiduu danda'a maarratti foreign policy irratti jechuudha. Or the trends of what the world system such as what the implication of the Cold War era. Kunillee dhiibbaa mataa qaba maarratti foreign policy. Okay. The influence of external states such as great or powerful state, international organization, etc. Influence of what external states such as what great or powerful state, international organization. Inni kunillee dhiibbaa irratti fiduu danda'a. Maalirratti foreign policy irratti. It's what external system or external factor. The influence of neighboring state. State in ollaadhaa dhiibbaa irratti uumuu danda'a. It is external. In general, a foreign policy of a state can be influenced negatively or positively by what the following additional factors. Isaan armaan gadi kanaan dabalataan affect ta'uu danda'u. Maal foreign policy ni the geographical setting keessuma lafaatiin size and location iddoo kan argamsiisaa jechuudha. Amount or type of resources jiru and the number of population of states kun hundumtuu maadha? Dhiibbaa irratti uumuu danda'a. Maal irratti? Foreign policy irratti jechuudha. Okay, national interest. Foreign policy kan eega jennee dhiibbaa karaa lamaan dhiibbaa irratti uumame eega jennee national interest immoo maali? National interest, foreign policy is not made for nothing, but what with a purpose that is what we call national interest. Kana foreign policy maadha? Maaliif hojjetanii national interest dhaaf hojjeta jechuudha. Purpose isaa maadha? It is doing for what national interest. So, the national interest is what the aspiration and the objective or goal of what sovereign status in its international relations. Kanaaf national interest is what the aspiration and the what objective or goal of what sovereign state in its what international relation. Kanaaf askeetti maadha? Foreign policy gahee guddaa taphata jechuudha. Okay. In short, national interest is what a state is going to achieve it is what a relation with other states through the use of its foreign policy. That is why in the above section we define foreign policy as a guideline or what a strategy that helps states national interest get done. Can I choose short? National interest is what state is going to what achieve. It is what relation with other states through what through the use of this foreign policy. Foreign policy fayyadamuudhaan state tokko state biraa wajjin maadha wanta achieve gootu wanta mataa ishee dhaabatu jechuudha. Kanaaf inni kun maalidha? State kun state biraa wajjin achieve akka gootu kan fayyadu jechuudha. That is why in the above section we define foreign policy as what a guidelines or strategy that helps states national interest get what it done. Can I choose that is why in the above section we define what foreign policy as a guideline or what strategy that helps states national interest get what done. National interest is man fayyadameti foreign policy or foreign policy ni maadhaaf hojjeta waan ta'eef national interest dhaaf hojjeta waan ta'eef. So the national interest of state also determine the content of its foreign policy, meaning that national interest determines what is to be included and what is not. National interest in Kumaila, the national interest of state what also determine the content of what it is foreign policy. Foreign policy content is of that's what meaning that national interest determine what is to be what included and what is not. Maaltu keessatti hammatamu qaba maaltu immoo keessatti hammatamuu hin qabne kan jiru kun hundi hojimaati national interest dha yookaan foreign policy national interest dha kan hojjetu jechuudha. Okay, radii sirriitti ibsuudhaaf barbaachise national interest of state also determine what the content of what it is foreign policy. Foreign policy kana jiru wanti keessatti dabalamu qomaadha wanti keessatti dabalamu qabu meaning that what national interest determine what is to be included and what is not. National interest ke maal dabalamu qaba maal dabalamu qaba jechuudha. Walumaa galatti eenyudha foreign policy kan jedhamu jechuudha. Okay, having national interest in mind, the state could have what hierarchy or priority of needs or objectives. Kanaaf having national interest in mind against national interest gaafa qaban maal could have what a hierarchy or what priority of needs or objectives. Objective mataa ishee qabdi priority mataa ishee qabdi jechuudha. Maal sammuu keessatti qabanne national interest jedhamu sammuu keessatti qabanne jechuudha. These are short term or range, middle range and long range objective. These are what short term or range. Range yookaan jalqabaa wanta range ta'e wayii jira step wanta keessatti xumuramu qabu jechuudha. All middle range short term range ta'uu danda'a, middle range ta'uu danda'a, long range ta'uu danda'a. Kun maal objective jechuudha. So short term objectives are what primarily interested such as what survival of the state and includes state maal ta'uu qabdi survive ta'uu qabdi. Primary state kan jennu interest kan jennu maal state kan ittiin jiraachuu dandeessu. That's what short term objectives are what primary interest such as survival of the state. Kana state survive hin taane taana maal wanti godhamu tokko these are short term. Ganaa karoora dheeraa baasuun hin barbaachisu jechuudha. Dafanii maal state survive gochuu. What in one shape or but preserving what the autonomy of what the state from what the external influence. Enough preserving the autonomy of the state from what external influence alarmana preserve go to it is this is what short term objective about territorial integrity but territorial integrity in well being and what safety of its population well-being talk about the state of its population this is what short term objective state foreign policy gaafa jennu national interest in dursu qabu waan ta'eef isaan kun maal short term objective ta'uu qabu waan dafanii raawwataman safety ummataan jiraannitee taanaan wanti ummata sanaaf hojjetamu jiru jechuudha. These objectives are what fundamental to state and are referenced as what non-negotiable interests. So warroota baay'ee barbaachisoo ta'anidha. Basic jechuudha isaan. Middle term objective kan jennu maal isaanii middle term objective are what secondary in terms of what the first one akka short term irratti gaafa ilaallu maadha is what the first The second of what the first one. Secondary in terms of what the first one. These are what economic based by nature, such as what development, technological achievement, bringing what social welfare, building infrastructure, providing service and so forth. Kanaf middle term keessatti maala secondary term warroota jalqaba jira san gaafa guun isaan kun maala secondary term waan ta'eef rakkina qaban. These are what economic based by nature, such as development, technological achievement, bringing social welfare, building infrastructure, providing service. Isaan kun hundumaa service kennu, technology guddisuu, achievement fidu. Isaan kun hundumtuu maala middle term irratti warreen hojjetamuu danda'ani maala secondary term irra warra jiranidha jechuudha. Jalqaba eegesteetii short term objective dhaan gaafa qabne inni kun immoo lammaffaartu waan hojjetamuu danda'u jechuudha. Long range kan jennu immoo maala long range objective are what vision or dreams of state to be what achieved in its external relation. Biyyoota alaa wajjin wanti isheen gochuu qabdu external relation wajjin wanti isheen gochuu qabdu long range dha. Yookaan immoo objective bal'aa isheen qabachuu qabdu biyyoota biraa wajjin achieve gochuu qabdu. For instance, protecting one's historical tradition, cultural norms and socio-economic system from the influence of other states. State in bra state isa keessa jiru sana socio-economic sana wantoota aadaa achi keessa jiran sana influence hanga goone ittisuu jechuudha. This is what long range objective kan jennu isa kana jechuudha. On the other hand, states may involve what in expanding or promoting of one's ideology or social norms or what culture towards what other states. Karab in the Brahmana on the other hand, what state may involve what in expanding or promoting of what one's ideology. Ideology to Kumara expand guchukichet, promote guchukichet Mara, gay good. Okay. And for the achievement of the above mentioned objectives, the state's power should be considered. Sanar mani hojjechuu dhaf maadha state power maadha consider godha diraachuu qaba jechuudha. For the achievement of the above mentioned objectives, state power should be what considered. So all states are what equal, poor or rich, and have what their own national interests. Their power of influence has the implication on what on the realization of the objectives. State tokko Droesa he is jedhama sonteen state hundumtuu maadha walqixa. All states are what equal and their own what national interest mataa isaanii qabu. National interest mataa isaanii qabu state hundumtuu jechuudha. So all states are what equal. Columbus 1984 has what developed the following criteria for what defining states national interests. Kanaf akka yaada nama kanaatti state define kan ta'e these are what operational philosophy, moral and legal criteria, pragmatic criteria, ideological criteria, professional advancement, partisan criteria and foreign dependency criteria. He also added what bureaucratic interest criteria, ethnic racial criteria, class status criteria. Kunundumti humana criteria state tokko barbaachisanidha. He also added kanneen kana maala state tokko maal gochuu kan qabdu isaan itti dabalee jechuudha. Eenyuun Columbus 1984 irratti has developed the following criteria for what defining state national interest. National interest keessa ta'uudhaan maala isaan armaan gadii kana include gochuu qabdi jedhee yaada isaa keessatti kan itti dabaleedha. Operational philosophy ka jedhu operational philosophy koorsii itti aanu keessatti yookaan paartii itti aanu keessatti wal ilaalla. Agamma turtii waliin turreef dagalatooma subscribe like share gochuun dagatina. Isheetuu from isheetuu tutorial. Bye bye.